Have you ever found yourself in a moment of intense pressure, where every word feels weighted, especially when you are speaking with a police officer? It is a natural reaction to want to explain yourself or answer questions, but understanding your rights in these situations is incredibly empowering. When you remain just silent with police, you are exercising your constitutional right, and your silence cannot be used as evidence of guilt in court. This fundamental protection comes from the Fifth Amendment of the United States Constitution, ensuring that no person shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself. This means that by choosing not to speak, you are actively protecting yourself from inadvertently providing information that could be misinterpreted or used against you later. Law enforcement officers are trained to gather information, and even innocent statements can sometimes be twisted or misunderstood during an investigation. Remaining silent ensures you do not accidentally incriminate yourself, and it places the burden on the prosecution to prove its case without your compelled assistance. To effectively use this right, you must clearly state that you are choosing to remain just silent and that you wish to speak with an attorney. Simply staying quiet might not be enough to invoke your rights. You need to communicate your intention verbally. Once you have clearly stated this, officers are generally required to stop questioning you until your attorney is present. This principle is a cornerstone of our legal system, often summarized in the Miranda warning, which informs individuals of their right to remain just silent and their right to an attorney. It is not an admission of guilt to invoke these rights, but rather a wise decision to safeguard your legal position and ensure fair process. Remember, anything you say can be used against you, and choosing to remain just silent avoids that risk entirely. By understanding and confidently asserting your right to remain just silent, you are taking a crucial step in protecting your future and navigating police interactions with confidence. This right exists to ensure justice and fairness, allowing you to secure legal counsel before making any statements that could impact your life.